Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer configurations from NGINX Plus to Kubernetes Ingress. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to your NGINX Plus configuration files. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory containing your NGINX Plus configuration. Identify the relevant server block configurations that you wish to transfer. You'll want to take note of the specific settings, such as upstream servers, locations, and SSL configurations. Next, ensure your Kubernetes cluster is up and running. Install the NGINX Ingress controller if you haven't done so already. You can use Helm to install the Ingress controller by running the helm install command. Create a new YAML file for your Ingress resource. In this file, define the API version as networking.k8s.io/v1. Add the kind as Ingress. Set the metadata name and specify any necessary annotations for your Ingress resource. Next, define the spec section. This is where you'll detail the rules for your Ingress resource. For each server block in your NGINX Plus configuration, within each rule, specify the host and the paths. For each path, indicate the backend service name and the service port. If your NGINX Plus configuration used SSL, make sure to reference the TLS section in your Ingress resource. Add a secret containing your SSL certificate and private key. Once you have defined all necessary configurations, save the YAML file. Apply the new configuration by running the kubectl apply command with your YAML file. After deployment, check the status of your Ingress resource using kubectl get ingress. To troubleshoot any issues, refer to the logs of your Ingress controller. You should now have successfully transferred your configurations from NGINX Plus to Kubernetes Ingress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.